Onions may be one of the most powerful superfoods in your kitchen, but their health benefits can quickly take a turn for the worse when paired with the wrong foods. While they are packed with quercetin, allicin, and sulfur compounds that support immunity, circulation, and brain health, certain combinations can actually work against your body, increasing your risk of serious health concerns. Many people assume that onions can be added to any dish without consequences, but research suggests otherwise. Some food pairings not only diminish the nutritional power of onions but may also introduce harmful compounds that can negatively impact digestion, brain function, and even cancer risk. One of the major concerns when it comes to improper onion combinations is their effect on the gut. While onions contain prebiotic fibers that nourish beneficial gut bacteria, certain foods can interfere with this process, leading to bloating, discomfort, and poor digestion. Instead of supporting a healthy gut microbiome, these combinations can disrupt the delicate balance of bacteria, increasing inflammation and making it harder for your body to absorb essential nutrients. Additionally, onions' sulfur compounds, while excellent for detoxification, can react with specific foods in a way that burdens the liver rather than supporting its function. This can lead to a buildup of toxins rather than their proper elimination, putting unnecessary strain on your body's natural detox pathways. Beyond digestion, improper onion pairings can also pose a threat to brain health. While onions are known for their ability to fight oxidative stress and protect brain cells, some food combinations introduce compounds that counteract these benefits, increasing the risk of cognitive decline. Inflammation in the brain has been linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and the wrong food pairings may unknowingly contribute to this process over time. Onions on their own can support mental clarity and long-term cognitive function, but when paired incorrectly, they may accelerate the very damage they are meant to prevent. Perhaps even more concerning is the link between certain onion pairings and cancer risk. While onions contain powerful anti-cancer compounds, some foods can produce chemical reactions that may encourage the growth of harmful cells. This is particularly true when onions are combined with processed ingredients, high-heat cooking methods, or acidic foods that alter their beneficial properties. Instead of protecting your cells from oxidative stress, these combinations may increase free radical damage, leading to a higher likelihood of chronic disease. With all these risks in mind, it becomes clear that onions should be consumed strategically to maximize their health benefits. The good news is that when paired correctly, they can work wonders for your body, strengthening the heart, enhancing circulation, boosting immunity, and even supporting a longer, healthier life. The key is knowing which foods complement onions and which ones you should avoid at all costs. By making the right choices in your diet, you can ensure that every bite of onion is working in your favor rather than against you. Keep watching as we reveal the worst food pairings that can sabotage the benefits of this incredible superfood, and the best combinations that will transform the way you cook with onions forever. Number 1. Onion juice. Onion juice has recently gained attention as a powerful health tonic, praised for its ability to strengthen immunity, support digestion, and even promote hair growth. There's no doubt that onions offer incredible health benefits, particularly for individuals looking to regulate blood sugar levels and improve heart health. Their potent anti-inflammatory compounds and natural ability to stabilize glucose make them a staple in many health-conscious diets. However, when onions are juiced, the equation changes entirely, turning this so-called miracle drink into a potential health risk. Juicing onions significantly concentrates their natural sugars and potassium content, creating an unintended consequence for those managing diabetes. While whole onions can help stabilize blood sugar, consuming them in juice form leads to a rapid spike in glucose levels. This sudden surge in sugar disrupts the body's natural insulin response, making it counterproductive for diabetics who rely on steady blood sugar control. Instead of benefiting from onions' natural ability to regulate glucose, individuals may experience the exact opposite effect, leading to instability in their metabolic balance. Beyond blood sugar concerns, onion juice can also pose risks for kidney health. The high concentration of potassium in juiced onions puts added strain on the kidneys, particularly for those with pre-existing kidney conditions. Since the kidneys are responsible for filtering out excess potassium from the bloodstream, overwhelming them with a sudden influx of this mineral can lead to complications such as hyperkalemia, a condition that can negatively impact heart function and overall well-being. Even small amounts of onion juice can create issues for individuals with impaired kidney function, making it a risky choice for those already managing kidney-related concerns. Fortunately, there's a safer and equally beneficial alternative: onion peel tea. Often discarded as waste, onion peels are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation, reduces blood pressure, and protects cells from oxidative stress. Unlike onion juice, onion peel tea provides these health benefits without the risks associated with excess sugar and potassium. Simply steep the peels in hot water, strain, and enjoy a nourishing drink that supports your health without overburdening your system. While onion juice may seem like a shortcut to better health, opting for gentler alternatives like onion peel tea ensures you reap the benefits of this superfood without unnecessary risks. Number 2. Onions and honey. The combination of onions and honey might seem harmless, perhaps even beneficial, given their individual reputations as nutritional powerhouses. Onions are widely recognized for their anti-inflammatory properties and rich nutrient profile, while honey is praised for its natural sweetness and antimicrobial benefits. However, when these two ingredients are paired together, they may lead to unexpected and undesirable effects on the body. One of the most immediate concerns with this combination is digestive discomfort. Onions contain fructans, a type of carbohydrate that the stomach struggles to break down, leading to fermentation in the gut. Meanwhile, honey is high in natural sugars, particularly fructose, which can further fuel this fermentation process. For individuals with sensitive stomachs or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, this pairing can result in excessive gas, bloating, and digestive distress, making it an unwise choice for those prone to gastrointestinal issues. Beyond digestive concerns, some traditional medicinal warnings suggest that combining onions and honey regularly may have an impact on eyesight. Though scientific research on this specific interaction is limited, anecdotal evidence points to the possibility that certain compounds in onions and honey might interfere with blood circulation to the eyes, potentially leading to vision strain over time. While more studies are needed to confirm this claim, it's worth considering moderation when consuming these two ingredients together. To avoid these potential risks, it's best to steer clear of using honey as a sweetener in dishes that feature onions, whether raw or cooked. Instead, opt for healthier and more complementary pairings. A splash of lemon juice can add a refreshing tang to onions, while a drizzle of olive oil enhances both their flavor and nutritional benefits without the unwanted side effects. These alternatives not only improve taste but also ensure you're maximizing the health benefits of onions without introducing unnecessary digestive or circulatory concerns. In summary, while both onions and honey offer impressive health benefits on their own, they don't necessarily complement each other when consumed together. By making informed choices about food combinations, you can optimize your health and well-being without unintended consequences. Number 3. Fried onions and onion rings. Fried onions and onion rings are undeniably delicious, with their crispy texture and rich, savory flavor making them a favorite indulgence. Whether enjoyed as a side dish, a topping, or a snack, they offer a satisfying crunch. However, beneath their golden brown exterior lies a hidden health risk that can have serious long-term consequences. The primary concern comes from the deep frying process itself. When onions are fried at high temperatures, they undergo chemical changes that led to the formation of harmful substances, including trans fats and glycotoxins. Trans fats are artificially created fats that have been strongly linked to inflammation, a key driver of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. These unhealthy fats not only raise levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, but also lower levels of good cholesterol, HDL, increasing the risk of cardiovascular complications. Even more concerning is the production of glycotoxins, also known as advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which form when foods are cooked at extreme heat, particularly through frying. These compounds promote oxidative stress and inflammation, damaging cells and accelerating aging. Studies have associated high age consumption with an increased risk of cancer, dementia, and other degenerative diseases, making fried onions a far less innocent treat than they appear. Unfortunately, deep frying not only introduces harmful byproducts but also strips onions of their natural health benefits. The powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that make raw or lightly cooked onions a superfood are largely destroyed in the high heat, leaving behind a calorie-dense, nutrient-poor food that offers little nutritional value. For a healthier alternative, opt for cooking methods that preserve onions' beneficial properties without introducing dangerous compounds. Roasting, grilling, or sautéing onions with a small amount of healthy oil, such as olive or avocado oil, enhances their flavor while maintaining more of their nutritional value. Additionally, enjoying onions raw in salads, salsas, or as a crunchy topping for sandwiches is an excellent way to maximize their health benefits. By making smarter choices, you can continue to enjoy the incredible benefits of onions without exposing yourself to unnecessary health risks. Now, let's discover the top 3 foods that pair perfectly with onions to enhance their flavor and health benefits. Number 1. Onions and meat. When it comes to food pairings, few are as effective and flavorful as onions and meat. Beyond their ability to enhance taste, this combination delivers impressive health benefits that support digestion, improve nutrient absorption, and promote overall well-being. One of the key advantages of pairing onions with meat is their role in enhancing vitamin B1, thiamine, absorption. Onions contain allicin, a sulfur compound released when they are chopped or crushed. This natural compound has been found to increase the body's ability to absorb thiamine from meat, particularly red meat, which is a rich source of this essential vitamin. Thiamine plays a crucial role in converting food into energy, supporting nerve function, and maintaining a healthy metabolism. By consuming onions alongside meat, you ensure your body efficiently absorbs this vital nutrient, which is essential for sustained energy levels and optimal digestive function. Additionally, onions serve as a natural digestive aid when eaten with meat. Red meat, while packed with protein and iron, can sometimes be heavy and challenging to digest. Onions, rich in fiber and digestive enzymes, help break down proteins more effectively, easing digestion and reducing the likelihood of bloating or discomfort. This makes your meal not only more enjoyable but also easier on your digestive system. But the benefits don't stop there. Onions are packed with antioxidants that help counteract the inflammatory effects of animal protein. While meat provides essential nutrients such as protein, iron, and zinc, excessive consumption can sometimes contribute to oxidative stress in the body. The powerful antioxidants in onions help neutralize this effect, reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. By combining onions with meat, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, nutrient-dense protein along with the protective properties of onions. Number 2. Onions and vinegar. When combined, onions and vinegar create a powerhouse of nutrition and wellness, offering far more than just a burst of flavor. This dynamic duo works synergistically to support digestion, circulation, and overall health, making it an excellent addition to your daily meals. Vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, is widely recognized for its numerous health benefits, including aiding digestion, regulating blood sugar levels, and promoting detoxification. When paired with onions, these effects become even more pronounced. One of the key advantages of this combination is its ability to enhance blood circulation. Vinegar helps dilate blood vessels and regulate blood pressure, while onions contain flavonoids like quercetin, which reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Together, they form a powerful cardiovascular boosting pair that supports heart health and overall vitality. Beyond cardiovascular benefits, onions and vinegar also work together to combat oxidative stress. Apple cider vinegar, in particular, has been linked to improved mood and reduced stress levels. When combined with onions, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, this pairing helps neutralize free radicals and balance the body's stress hormones. This makes it especially beneficial for individuals dealing with anxiety or fatigue, as it supports mental clarity and relaxation. One of the best ways to enjoy this health-enhancing duo is through pickled onions or onion-infused vinegar. Pickling onions in vinegar not only preserves their nutrients but also enhances their natural flavors, making them a delicious and beneficial addition to salads, sandwiches, and main dishes. The acidity of vinegar helps extract and amplify the beneficial compounds in onions, making them even more potent for supporting digestion and overall well-being. By incorporating onions and vinegar into your meals, you can take advantage of their impressive health benefits while enjoying their tangy, flavorful combination. Whether through pickled onions, infused vinegar, or simple salad dressings, this pairing is a natural way to promote heart health, reduce inflammation, and support overall vitality. Number 3. Onions and whole grains. Onions and whole grains are an exceptional combination when it comes to boosting overall health and wellness. Both ingredients offer unique benefits that complement each other, supporting the body's essential functions such as immunity, digestion, and heart health. Together, they create a dynamic duo that optimizes your diet for better overall well-being. One of the key strengths of this pairing lies in the synergy between the sulfur compounds in onions and the zinc found in whole grains. Onions are rich in sulfur compounds like sulforaphane, which are celebrated for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help protect the body from oxidative stress, support detoxification, and enhance immune function. When combined with whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, or barley, which are high in zinc, the immune-boosting effects are intensified. Zinc is essential for immune function, cell division, and wound healing, making it a crucial mineral for maintaining a healthy immune system. This powerful combination of sulfur compounds and zinc strengthens the body's defenses, helping to promote overall health and vitality. In addition to immune support, onions and whole grains are excellent for digestive health. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber, which aids digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. The fiber in whole grains also helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugars, keeping blood sugar stable. Onions, rich in both fiber and prebiotics, further enhance digestive support by nourishing beneficial bacteria in the gut. This combination helps reduce the risk of digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and indigestion, promoting smoother and more efficient digestion. In conclusion, onions and whole grains are a nutrient-packed pairing that supports immunity, digestive health, and overall wellness. By incorporating these two ingredients into your meals, you're nourishing your body with a potent blend of antioxidants, fiber, and essential minerals that promote optimal health. Cooking onions correctly can significantly enhance their nutritional benefits, and there are a few essential tips to help you get the most out of this flavorful vegetable. One of the best ways to preserve most of the nutrients in onions while enhancing their flavor is by lightly cooking them. Stir-frying onions in healthy oils like olive or canola oil is a fantastic method. This approach helps retain the antioxidants and essential nutrients, such as quercetin, in the onions while also making them more bioavailable for your body to absorb. The oils, being rich in healthy fats, further boost the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, making the entire dish even more beneficial for your health. Another important tip is to let onions rest after cutting them. Allow them to sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes before cooking. This resting period activates enzymes within the onions, which enhances metabolism and improves blood circulation. It also helps reduce the risk of blood clots, supporting cardiovascular health in the process. By simply giving the onions time to rest, you maximize the potential of their natural compounds, contributing to better overall wellness. As you cook with onions, it's important to keep in mind the best and worst food pairings to truly unlock their health benefits. While onions are undeniably packed with nutrients, the right combinations are key to avoiding unwanted risks. Opting for healthier alternatives when pairing onions with other ingredients can ensure you enjoy all the advantages they offer without compromising your health. Remember, everyone's body is unique, and before making significant changes to your diet, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist to ensure the choices you make are suitable for your individual needs. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into cooking with onions. If you found the information helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and food advice. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.